Hundreds of tourists visiting Watamu during the Christmas and New Year festive season have rated the resort town as the best destination in Kenya for its pristine white beaches and good quality hotels. A spot check along the 25-kilometer wide serene beach along Watamu Marine National Park showed a beehive of activities as tourists, Kenyans and foreigners alike flocked in large numbers to enjoy the New Year celebrations.
We'll have a beautiful holiday because also the tides that we have here is something that don't really get in Italy, they don't really get somewhere else. And this white sand is something that everybody loves. Everything here is pole-pole, everything is relaxed. So they really get to, well, they get in touch with the culture and they really relax very soon after arrival. So
when it's low tide, it's really enjoyable because you can walk around the beach and just see all the corals and starfish. And yeah, it's super interesting.
This is one of the best places I have ever seen. The beach is amazing and the environment is wonderful. You can enjoy also low tide and high tide, and the panorama is really wonderful. This is a nice village, a small village, but fit for families, and you can really enjoy the experience here.
We need the international port in Malindi because with this we can bring here many clients also from Europe that decide they prefer go to Bangkok, Thailand, because there is many connections from Amsterdam, from Oslo, from London to this part of the world.